hundreds of... How? Oh, you gotta love the ones that make you sweat.
Ljudi, čulo se buć. Oh my god. I pozdrav svima ljudi nas na Old School kanalu. Danas počinjemo novi serijal u kojem ćemo da igramo jednu fenomenalnu igricu pod imenom Deadpool. Ko nije čuo ko je Deadpool, dečko ili devojko, ubij se, molim te. Prosto skoči s mosta, svejedno. Da, šalim se inače. Ljudi, stvarno, krećemo novi serijal, igrat ćemo Deadpool igricu. Čuo sam da je ova igrica mnogo luda i iskreno nisam ni znao što da snimam, pa daj šta daš. Dobro ljudi, krećemo sada da igramo. Započet ćemo, ja sam već igrao, vidite malo, nisam ništa puno, ovo je tek početak sam. Vi se pogledajte šta sve ima ovi kao, da kažem, misija, ali iskreno najbolji je sam početak po meni. Ko ne znaš stvarno šta je Deadpool, da, ovo ćemo izbrisati. I evo možemo da vidimo njegovu kuću, ja neću sad pričati, pošto će više onda pričati. Ovo je Logan, Wolverine.
Anyway, looked over your proposal. Not gonna pretend I understand any of it, but the answer is no. We're gonna pass on your big game idea.
What? He said no? That was our chance to be in our own video game. Maybe we shouldn't have written the proposal in crayon. Relax. You know he's gonna call back. Oh yeah, because of the...
Deadpool, hey, it's Peter. You know, dickhead. Remember when I called you earlier and told you no? I'm such a joker, because I meant yes, of course. The new proposal you sent over this morning went off with a big bang in the office today. Genius, just genius. So, sum it up, congratulations. Let's make a video game.
See? Once again, our explosive personality wins the day. High five! No high fives, we're voices in our head.
I've got my top designers banging away on a script right now. As soon as it's ready, we'll send it right over.
Script?
I to je to, Deadpool. Možemo da krenemo s igricom.
This is bullshit. A script? Pfft. Like some dingus word writer's gonna know better than me how to show how amazing I am.
Amazing is more Spider-Man's thing, really.
Yeah, right. What's so amazing about that geek?
Well, superhuman strength and reflexes, extrasensory perception, genius-level intellect, the ability to stick to any surface.
Know what else sticks to any surface? A load of goo? Ooh, Spider-Man. But does Spider-Man have a sweet-ass supercharged healing factor? Wow. No. But me? Some jackass gets lucky and tags me with a stray bullet? Whatever. Freaky cellular... Click! Hey, what's that? You guys tracking my every move now? But I haven't even accomplished anything in this game yet.
No.
And there's another one. Oh, so it's gonna be one of those games, huh?
Ne, neće biti. Ljudi, imamo sad kontrolu nad likom, vidite, to je ta...
Hey, player! Sit your ass down and watch some TV. Maybe you'll learn something.
Dobro, gledat ćemo tebe, ne bojte ništa, Deadpool. To je ta faca, to je taj lik. I sada zapravo krenuli smo s igricom i da vidimo šta možemo da uradimo. Eno moja naslika. Ajde vidimo šta možemo sa TV-om.
Once my TV didn't work, so I kicked it, and it started working again. I'm sorry.
Deadpool! Branded as both hero and villain, Deadpool was once a badass mercenary named Wade Wilson. After being recruited into the Weapon X program, Wade was subjected to experiments that gave him awesome regenerative powers and drove him batshit crazy. Today the merc with a mouth travels the globe in search of fortune. And chimichangas!
Ja, chimichangas.
Click.
Dobro.
You think the player knows anything about us?
They did buy the game.
To know us is to love us!
Ne, ja nisam kupio igricu. Mislim, pirat, onaj sajt, jebe mi ga, torrent. Sve je to reći. Čekaj, ima još ovdje opcije. Da pozovemo nekog, ajde.
Nolan! Hey, what's up, buddy? We're making a game about me. We gotta have you do the VO, man. I mean, see, here's the thing. People tell me we sound alike.
That sounds awesome, Deadpool. Listen, I had a different take on it. Maybe we just make you, maybe it's an alternative type of Deadpool. It's somebody that's like, forget the boobs. Let's just go for pecs. Pecs and biceps. Forget girls. Why don't you just contact my agent for the booking, and we'll see what we can do.
He's so in.
Look, Deadpool, I got another call coming in. Gotta take it. Good luck with the game, though.
Aha, možemo spustimo slušalicu, pošto čovjek ima drugi poziv.
Yeah, well, fuck you, Nolan.
Dobro. Upravo smo rekli njemu da se jebe. Dobro.
So, how's the ball licking coming along? Red Rocket! Red Rocket! You just sit tight, and I won't have to shoot you. Let's see what's behind door number 1.
Ok, vrata number 1. Imamo neke lepe prizore. Evo ga Deadpool mali. A šta je ovo?
Don't make me do this, please.
Šta? What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh, really? She always looks so surprised to see us.
If this game had a shame meter, it'd be full right now.
Da, izgleda iznenađeno kad ih vidi. Me zezaš. Inspekt.
We're not gonna put our penis in that, are we?
Dobro, nećemo. Dobro.
Holy gun boner!
Oh my god.
Now this is what it's all about. Look at all this fine weaponry.
Da. Wow. Opet.
Last time you bit her on the ear and she farted and flew out the window.
Šta? Dobro. Možemo li krenut dalje?
Wonder what's in here.
Šta ima unutra? Hajde da vidimo. Ne, vrate, ne.
Yeah. There we go. Now we're talking. Much more realistic. Fine. You asked for this. Hundreds of... Oh! Oh, you gotta love the ones that make you sweat.
Ljudi, čulo se bući. Oh my god. Da vidimo šta ćeš raditi. Čačkati telefon, nećemo da ga gledamo. Šta radi? Lano je ubacio lik telefonu, već se stvorio. Pa dobro. Da operemo ruku.
Why would anybody want to see that? I sure as hell don't. Why do they think I wear a goddamn mask?
Hope this game doesn't, try to do the whole tragedy behind the comedy thing.
Da ljudi obavezno pogledajte njegov film Deadpool. Ima i drugi...
Wonder what's in here.
Šta je unutra? Pizza? Time.
I'm not really hungry, but all right. Really didn't think this mask thing through, did I?
Da, bukvalno je rekao kako sam
That's right.
toga pojeo.
Now feed me, baby, nice and
Ćuti.
Sons of bitches. Got...
Ćuti. Da ga povrati.
Damn it.
Wow, bacio pizza. A, pizza izgleda dobro, znači ono rastura. Šta je ovo? No, pogledaj koliko je Nor, brate, probijen kroz to. O moj bože, zaglavila se pizza. Šta je ovo?
What's this?
To je pivo. Kako podrigne. Ajde ga napijemo.
Enough with the damn beer. A healing factor won't let me get drunk anyway.
Aha, ne može da bude pijan jer imate neke njegove super moći, ali doš. Pokušali smo, šta može ovo? Aha. Wow, storova se kapi. DEADPOOL se skupio.
I love the smell of pancakes in the morning.
Dobra.
Smells like victory.
Njami, brate, da ovako moji kuvaju, brate. Ovo je po meni, brate, najjači super heroj koji postoji u Marvel univerzumu, što pogledajte vi njega, jer posle kad budete vidjeli šta će da radi, prosto, wow. Čekaj, vrate da otvorimo, zvoni na čovjek već 5 dana.
Room service. Underwear? Are you trying to say underwear?
Hello, sir. I have a package that...
Okay.
Yoink.
Yoink.
Package. Shit. As I suspected. Words.
Wow.
Everywhere. Lame.
We should read some of them.
Fine. Scene 1. Dark and stormy night. Deadpool is contracted to kill media mogul Chance White, who is blah 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 diddy blah blah. Don't need that. Edit that.
Ah, crayons. Very classy.
Why are we trying to kill what's his face? Who cares? I'm making art here. Behold.
Wow.
Not sure the player understands our thinking
Hey,
here.
player,
Deadpool
just go
Spider-Man.
with it. We're about to change your fucking life.
Nah.
Bring the noise!
Wow. Oh my fucking god. Aha, dobra.
Ah, a sewer. How quaint. Does anybody remember how to play?
I never read the manual.
You can't read.
Yes, I can.
I only play PC games.
Hey, there's some text. Player, read that shit. Do whatever High Moon says.
Rekao mi je da pročitam to sranje od teksta što mi piše sad ovdje dole. See what the spectator does. Aha, dobro.
Sweet! Jump button.
To je, aha, 2 puta. I sad nekog doroknemo ovako.
Light attacks, check.
A? Okay.
Heavy attacks. Got it.
Heavy attack.
I command goons to spawn so we can test our mad skills.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, don't play.
Hey, mix our light and heavy attacks together and see what happens.
B, to je teleport, koliko ja znam, pošto sam igrao već.
Enemies can't hurt us while we are teleporting.
Wow.
Can't hit what isn't there, baby. You know what's better than not getting hit? Hitting back.
Okay. Šta?
Okay, we get it. Buttons do stuff. Let's move on.
What did you have in mind?
Besides you two schmucks, one crate, please.
What the? What? Gle, počeše dupe, dečko. Oh my god. Dobro, šta je ovo? Njoj, samo da nije na lutu. Oh my fucking god. Opet nešto naduvao. Ajde. Dečko, Deadpool baš voli ovu pumpu, šta je već? Je ovo zamac?
Whew. Sometimes it's the setup work that'll get you all tuckered out.
Zašto je ovo radio?
Bounce house. Check.
Što? Oh my god, ovo bi trebalo da bude smešno kao šta. Ne kontam zašto bi ovo trebalo da bude tutorial.
Boing.
Wow.
Boing. Boing. Boing.
Boing.
Banana. Boing.
Banana.
Woohoo.
Boing.
Woohoo. Boing. Boing.
Boing. Boing.
Boing.
What the fuck je ovo, oh my fucking god. Ovo izgleda toliko čudno. Mogu da nabušim. Dobro, nema već.
Hey, we don't take fall damage, so go nuts.
Ooh, an unsuspecting bad guy. Let's stealth kill him.
Ajmo, stealth kill. Manje više stealth kill. Kako se šunja čudno. I...
Not very stealthy, were we? Let's try that again.
Ladno smo failovali stealth kill. Ja ne mogu da verujem. Okay, skinuli smo mu glavu.
In my game, you get points for killing baddies.
Yeah, and you spend those points to get cool upgrades to make us more badass.
That is impossible.
Yeah, but it's called progression in games.
Yeah.
A must-have.
Oh yeah.
Hey, player, open up the upgrade menu and see what we can buy.
Huh, upgrade menu. Što ja ne bih sam kupio nešto? Hoću da se kupim shotgun. Ovo je shotgun. Shotgun. Kupili smo shotgun. Jebote, shotgun smo uzeli. A šta je ovo? Aha. Ajde, hoću nešto da upgradeujem. Zar ne veze, kupili smo shotgun, oh my god.
The more bad guys we kill, the more upgrades we can unlock and purchase with our points.
I like to spec my Deadpool for defense and healing.
I like to spec my Deadpool for nougat and cream filling, but I don't think that's an option.
Get the top, below the hole, in the... Dobro. Bla bla bla, što bi rekao Deadpool. Čekaj, pokupimo novčiće da imamo za kasnije upgrade. Dobijemo puške ili tako nešto. Čekaj, kako mi sad ovo? Ha, ovo je zašto? Oh my god, kako ja? Čekaj, kako da ja sad vratim na pištolj? Nema se. Okej, tetra, sad ide. Ovamo.
Okay, class. Tap jump while jumping towards a wall to perform a wall jump.
Dobro.
Ta-da!
Tada. Ovdje ću još malo negdje završiti video. Dobro je još ovo da pređemo s njim. Da ga ne ostavljamo samo. Evo ovdje ću...
If it were me, I'd chain wall jumps together to get higher.
Sam ne znam zašto ovako laga, ali dobro. Sad će to prestati čim se popenje ovo za zid. Eto vidite.
Press the jump button in midair to do a double jump. It's awesome.
Laws of physics be damned.
Da, što bi rekao.
Oh, and hold the jump button to mantle up ledges. Yeah.
I think I need to make an entrance.
Oh, it's just so gosh darn hard to choose sometimes, you know?
Okay. What the fuck is on you?
Time to go boom.
Okay. I evo nas, krećemo sada prvi put u akciju.
Phew! That's what happens when you mix C4 with a bean burrito. Now be honest. I'm not the only one with a little bit of shit in their pants right now, am I?
Nisi Deadpool, nemojte brinuti. Jer ćemo mi ovo nastaviti u sljedećoj epizodi. I ljudi, hvala vam što ste bili uz mene dok smo igrali u igricu. Nadam se da vam se svidjelo i pozdrav!